3. Hi world fam, you know it's been a minute for me being on and posting. I'm getting back on my posting game, but I received a package from Nespresso. So they sent me this package to my house. As you all know, I do videos on my Nespresso machine, and I reached out to them, so let's find out what they sent us. Okay, hold on. I need some scissors. Do you guys like my lights in the back? I'm thinking about making... I'm working on the set right now for Girl vs. World. Coming soon, guys. Oh, I don't need it. Scissors. But I was thinking maybe these twinkle lights, but I don't know. They're a little much. Okay, so... we got it open. Oh, wow, that's so nice. They hooked me up. Okay, so the first one is the double espresso churro. I don't know. I think I've tried this before. It is this color lid. Focus, focus, focus. And I have a Virtue, you guys all know. So this is, it says double espresso. It's an 8 out of 11. So this is a pretty strong espresso. The next one is Virtue Bianco Porcello. I don't know if I'm saying these right. I've never tried this one. What's the strength? So it says it could be a latte macchiato or a cappuccino. Okay, it doesn't show us the strength on this one, so I don't know, that's odd. It's different though, I never tried this one. Thank you, Nespresso. And next, I have 2 more, guys. This one is the purple one. Oh, I like this one too. It's the Virtue Alticio, the purple one. It's a single shot, and the strength is a 9. Please don't mind my dog outside. And then this one is the blue one, the Virtue Davalato. And this, I believe, is a single shot espresso. Yeah, single shot espresso. And this is 11. It's really strong. I like this one. I've had this one before. Again, this is the kind. Wow. They blessed me, guys. They blessed me. This one is the Virtue Double Espresso Skiro. I've had this one before. This is a double shot, and the strength is an 11. This is like my favorite one. Wow, thank you, Nespresso. You guys are awesome. What else is in there? Oh, of course, some recycling bags. Definitely, I feel like purchasing online through Nespresso is a better way to go. So definitely go check out. They always have deals and coupons. I did have a coupon for a while on a Nespresso Virtue. It expired. I'm gonna reach out to them and see if we can get another deal going. But right now they have $10 off of 50. So go check out their website, guys. Thank you, Nespresso, so much for my package. You guys are awesome. And then they gave me something else. This, I guess it's a sample one. For traditional recipes with milk. This one is the Barista Creations Bianco Doppio for milk, and Barista Creations Bianco Piccolo for milk. Come on, focus, guys. This is cool. I've never had these ones. I'll have to look up what kind it is. But thank you, Nespresso, so much for gifting me this stuff. You guys are amazing. Go check out Nespresso. Go on their website. I'm and see what kind of deals. Sign up so you can be alerted for percentages off and coupons. Thank you, World Fam, for watching this review, and thank you, Nespresso, for sending me this gift. You guys rock. And everybody have an awesome weekend. I will be posting this on a Friday. Today is Thursday, but have an awesome, safe weekend and a happy Easter. All right, bye, World Fam.